Hi children, good morning. How are you children? Yes, you all are fine and safe. Textbook children, open the textbook. Lesson number 6, reading. Page number 1. Natural resources, forests. Let us learn about forests as a natural resource. The features of different types of forests found in India. Causes and effects of deforestation. Conservation of forests. Think. Rasi is excited. A student from Chikmagalur, Karnataka is visiting her school. Her name is Maya. Rashi. Maya, are you impressed with the buildings in the city? Maya. Well, they are not as impressed as what we have in Chikmagalur. Rashi. Really? What do you have in Chikmagalur? Maya. We have the Western Ghats, Kudremukha National Park, which is close to my place, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. See how gorgeous it is. Maya shows Rashi some pictures. Rashi, wow, it is beautiful. Maya, you must visit me there. It is an evergreen forest. Which forest? Which state in Maya from? Which one, children? Yes, it is Karnataka. Turn the page. Page number 2. Forests as a natural resources. A forest is an area covered with many trees and plants growing close to each other. Most forests grow naturally, that is, on their own. They are a home of wide variety of animals and birds. A natural resource is anything that people can use which comes from nature. People do not make these resources but they use them. Example: air, water, wood, oil, iron, coal. Forests are one such important natural resource. Let us look at some things we get from forest. Oxygen, wood, fruits, flowers, spices and herbs. Oxygen. The air is constantly made fresh by the forests. Fruits, vegetables, spices and herbs. These are used as spices, medicines, shampoos, soaps and so on. As building material, wood, and for furniture. To make paper, cricket bats and other articles. Shelter. Many people and other living beings such as animals live in and around forest. Remembering part. Not all forests are the same. Not all forests are the same. There are many different kinds of forests. They have various types of trees and plants. The 5 main types of forest found in India are as follows. Coniferous forest. Location. Coniferous forests are found in regions such as the Himalayan and Nilgiri mountains. These regions are quite cold. It also snows on the Himalayas. Features. The trees are pointed and narrow at the top and wider at the bottom. This prevents snow from remaining on their branches. The leaves are like needles, so they do not collect snow. Example, pine decker. Evergreen forests. Location. Evergreen forests are found in hot and wet regions of India. There is plenty of rain and sunshine on the Western Ghats, the hills of northeastern India, and on the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Features. These trees never shed their leaves completely and always look green. Hence, they are called evergreen forest. Turn the page, children. Example, Ecliptus, Rosewood. Deciduous forests. Location. These forests grow in the peninsular plateau region of India. They are also found along the foothills of the Himalayas. Features. The trees in this forest live and grow in the different kinds of weather. These trees have broad, flat leaves. They require lots of water, hence, they lose their leaves during the dry season. Example, Gulmohar teak. Thorny and shrub forest. Location. Thorny and scrub forests are found in hot and dry areas. These includes the deserts of Rajasthan and Gujarat, parts of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Features. The rays of the sun are very strong in these regions. There is very little rainfall, so the trees and plants need to live with less water. They have leaves that have become thorns to make sure they do not lose water. These roots are long because they have penetrate deep into the soil to search for water. Example, bobble kikar. Tidal forest. Location. These forests are found where the land is flooded by sea and seawater, such as the river deltas of West Bengal. Features. The roots of these trees grow upwards to come out of the water. They do this to get enough water. Example, Sundari Kora. What affects the vegetation of a place? Factors such as temperature and rainfall of a region will determine the type of forest found there. Since tall mountains in India are extremely cold, coniferous forests are found there. Next page, children, page number 5. Hot climate and heavy rainfall lead to evergreen forests. Scanty rainfall and heavy temperature make thorny and scrub forest scrub, scrub forests grow in the desert. What will happen if forests are destroyed? We have learnt how forests are useful to people in many ways. Deforestation occurs when trees of a forested area of land are cut down but not replanted. This can have seriously bad effects on the environment. Why does deforestation occur? Forests are cleared so that the land can be used for farms, buildings, roads, and factories. Trees from forests are used as raw materials to make products such as paper and rubber. Forests are cut down for mining. When natural resources found under the earth's surface, such as coal or minerals, are dug and brought out of the ground, it is called mining. Page number 6, children. What are the effects of deforestation? If forests are destroyed, all life forms on earth will be harmed. Let us read about some effects of deforestation. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Destroying the forest changes the climate of that region. The roots of trees hold soil firmly together. So, when it rains, the soil can quickly soak in all the water. But deforestation makes the soil loose, and when there is a heavy rain, the water flows away quickly, carrying the top layer of soil. This causes soil erosion. In mountainous areas, deforestation leads to landslides. Deforestation disrupts the water cycle, so there is less rainfall and the water bodies dry up. Higher order thinking skills. Now that we have understood the harmful effects of deforestation, let us see how we can stop it. There are two ways to do this. Reforestation. Reforestation means to plant trees again in an area where there was a forest earlier. It can also refer to planting trees in a place where the number of trees are decreasing. There are areas where trees have been cut down and the land is not used. We can plant trees there. Afforestation. Some places have land but no forest. Afforestation is the process of planting trees in a barren land without any trees to create a forest. Ask your teachers, parents, and grandparents the following questions. Do they remember parts of your town or city that used to be forests? Which animals lived there? Amazing fact. Page number 7. Some trees can live for thousands of years and grow to become more than 100 meters tall. The hyperion found in the northern California is the tallest tree in the world. The measuring nearly 160 meters, it is as tall as a 30-story building.